Turning your engine AJ619. Turning good, all compressions complete, and the front engines looks good as you can see, no damage, no broken. Compressor looks good, startup looks good, no damage. Altimeter looks as well as you can see, all nice, all good. And on the Z side, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Starter looks as well as you can see. This engine will be NGB, no gearbox. On the Z sides, engines looks good, no damage, no broken. Engines turbo look good as you can see. All nice, all good. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looks good. No damage, no broken. All nice, all good. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine AJ619.